Apple regularly releases firmware updates for its AirPods, AirPods Pro, and AirPods Max, but the Cupertino-based tech giant has provided limited information on how to initiate an update. Recently, Apple updated its AirPods firmware support page with more specific instructions on the update process. Before today, Apple's guidance on firmware updates was as follows. Firmware updates are delivered automatically while your AirPods are charging and in Bluetooth range of your iPhone, iPad, or Mac that's connected to Wi-Fi. You can also use your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to check that your AirPods have the latest version. GadInsider has compiled a step-by-step guide to force an update, including steps if your AirPods won't get an update. First off, ensure that AirPods come in the Bluetooth range of your device, such as your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, which is already connected to Wi-Fi. Put your AirPods in their charging case and close the lid. Now charge your AirPods by charging cable in your charging case. Afterwards, wait for almost 30 minutes to update the firmware. Now open the charging case to reconnect your AirPods to any of your devices. Check the firmware version again. If users are still unable to update their firmware, reset their AirPods and try updating your firmware again.